I'm Raja Chauhan from Laksh International School, Maheshwar. Today we are going to solve questions of exercise 1.1, your first chapter, rational numbers. We have already studied the concept in the previous video. Now we will solve the questions. Now let's start with our first question. Find the value of the following. Question number 1. Minus 2 by 7 plus 1 by 3 multiplication 6 by 11. Okay, so here first we will solve the multiplication. So we have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So the answer we got 6 by 33. Now minus 2 by 7 plus 6 by 33, it will be cut by 3, so 2 by 11. Then here you have to take the LCM. After taking the LCM you will get answer minus 8 by 77. Now question number 2. 4 divided by minus 5 plus 3 divided by 10 minus 11 by 15. Now here again you have to take the LCM. First we will take the LCM of 4 divided by minus 5 plus 3 divided by 10. So the LCM result is minus 8 plus 3 divided by 10 minus 11 by 15. Minus 8 plus 3 equals to minus 5. So minus 5 divided by 10 minus 11 divided by 15. Now it will be cut by 5. So minus 1 by 2 minus 11 by 5. Then here again you have to take the LCM. So after taking LCM you will get your answer minus 37 by 30. Now question number 3. 9 divided by minus 11 into 4 divided by 27 into 22 divided by 12. Now here first of all we will cut 22 divided by 12 by 2. Okay, when we cut we will get 11 by 6. Now as you can see, 9 divided by minus 11 into 4 divided by 27. So 9 and 27 we will cut this by table of 9. So we will get 1 divided by minus 11 into 4 divided by 3 into 11 by 16. We will solve this. So we will get minus 2 by 9. Now in the same process you have to solve question number 4 and 5. Now question number 6. 3 divided by minus 10 plus 4 divided by minus 5 minus 1 by 2. Now here again you have to take the LCM of 3 divided by minus 10 plus 4 divided by minus 5. So the LCM is minus 10, 3 plus 8. When you will solve 3 plus 8 you will get 11 by minus 10 minus 1 by 2. Now again you have to take the LCM of 2 and 10. The LCM will be 10. So when you solve you will get minus 16 by 10. You can also write minus 8 by 5. This will be cut by table of 2. Now in the same manner you have to solve 7th question. Now question number 9th, 8th you have to solve in same manner. Now 9th question. 17 by 23 minus 17 by 23 divided by 9 by 15. Here 17 by 23 minus 17 by 23 is 0. When you will divide 0 divided by 9 by 15, you will get answer 0 only. In the same manner question number 10th. 12 by 17 plus 5 by 17 multiply minus 16 by 20 divide by 23. Now here first of all you can see the denominators are same, 17 are same, so we can add 16 12 plus 5, 17 by 17. Now here minus 16 by 23, divide 1 by 23. Now the 17 by 17 is equals to 1. 1 multiply minus 16 by 23, and here when you can write 1 by 23 if you use multiplication, so you can write 23 by 1. So you will get the answer minus 16. Now question number 2, solve both the parts and compare the answers. Are this? So here both parts are given A and B. So you have to solve both the parts, and if the value are same, you have to mention there. Question number 1, A, 2 by 7 plus 1 by 3. So here when you solve A part, you will get the answer. First of all, you have to take the LCM. 7 and 3, 3 LCM is 21. So 6 plus 7 upon 21, you will get 13 by 21. Now in B part, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 7, when you solve here the LCM, 7 plus 6 by 21, here also 13 by 21. Both the answers are same. So here both the answers are same, 13 by 21. Now second question, A part, 4 by 13 plus 2 by 13. So the answer will be, denominator is same, 13. So we can easily add 4 plus 2. You will get 6 by 13. Now here same way, 2 by 13 plus 4 by 13. Here also denominator are same. Then 2 plus 4, 6. 6 by 13. Both the answers are same, 6 by 13. Now question number 3, 4 by 9 minus 1 by 2. So when you will take the LCM of 9 and 2, you will get the answer 8 minus 9 by 18. So the answer will be minus 1 by 18. Now here 1 by 2 minus 4 by 9, when you will take the LCM, 9 minus 8, 18, get 1 by 18. Now here compare both the values. Here is minus value and here is negative value and positive value. So both the answers are not same. Now in the same process you have to solve question number 4, 5. Now question number 6, minus 9 by 13 minus 4 by 13. When you will solve this one, you will get easily, you can easily take the LCM. You don't need to take the LCM because the denominator are same, 13 is same. So minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13, minus 13 by 13, you will get minus 1. Now here 4 by 13 minus, again minus 9 by 13, so minus minus plus, 4 by 13 plus 9 by 13, here 4 plus 9, 13, so 13 by 13 equals to 1. Both the answers are not same because we have one negative minus 1 and we have one positive 1. Now question number 3, solve both the parts and compare the answers. Are they the same? Now here again we have to compare A and B part and we have to mention are they same or not. Question number 1, A, 4 divided by minus 5 into 10 divided by 32. Here you just have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So here you have to multiply 4 and 10 and minus 5 and 32. When you multiply 4 and 10, you will get 40 upon, when you multiply minus 5 into 32, you will get minus 160. Cut this by table of 4, you will get 1 by minus 4. This is your A part answer. Now let's check B part. 10 by 32 into 4 by minus 5. So 10 by 32. Now here you have to multiply 10 and 4 and 32 and minus 5. When you multiply this, you will get 40 by minus 160. Again solve, you will get minus 4. Both the answers are same. Now question number 2, a part 6 by 11 into minus 2 by 7. Now here you have to multiply 6 and minus 2, you will get minus 12. 11 into 7, you will get 77. Minus 12 by 77 is answer here. Now here minus 2 and 6 you have to multiply, and then 7 into 11. The answer will be minus 12 and 77. Both the answers are same, minus 12 by 77. Now in the same manner, question number 3rd and 4th you have to solve. Question number 5, a part 2 by 3 divide minus 7 by 9. Now here when you can see there is a divide sign, so you have to do the multiply. If you do the multiply here, the numerator is become denominator and denominator become numerator, means interchanging the values. So here 2 by 3 multiply 9 by minus 7. When you will solve this, you will get 6 by minus 7. In B part, minus 7 by 9 divide 2 by 3. When you will solve, you will get minus 7 by 6. Both the answers are not same. In the same manner, you have to solve 6th question. Now let's check question number 4, fill in the blanks. Here question number 1, 9 divided by minus 13 plus 4 divided by minus 16 equals to 4 by minus 16 plus blank. Here in the blank you have to solve and find out the value. So let the number be x. 9 divided by 13 plus 4 divided by minus 16 plus 4 by 16. Direction minus, there is minus 16, and here it will become the plus 4 by 16. We will solve this, we will get answer 9 by minus 13. This is the value of x. Now second question, 2 by 3 multiply 6 by 21 equals to 6 by 21 multiply. You can see the answer is given in the question itself. So the answer is 2 by 3. In the question number 3rd, blank plus 7 by 11 equals to 7 by 11 plus 2 by 9. The answer is 2 by 9. They just write the opposite, means first they write here in the RHS, write 7 by 11, and in the left side they write here. Question number 4th, 3 by minus 10 into 7 by 17 by 16 equal to 2 by 16. The answer is 3 by minus 10. 5th question, 2 by minus 7 plus blank equals to 7 by 12 plus 2 by minus 7. The answer of this question is 7 by 12. In the same manner, question 6 you have to solve. Here we are done with exercise 1.1. I hope all the questions are clear to you. In next video, we will start with the new concept of chapter. So be prepared and practice the questions well. Thank you and have a nice day.